So if you're looking to upload videos to Facebook, I'm going to show you how I do it. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. So I'm here in my account. And it's actually quite simple. All you got to do is come here, obviously click here like you will be posting a picture, a video, whatever. You know, you can post a bunch of stuff in here. And then you're going to come up here to photos and videos and you're going to click in there. Then this thing is going to open right there, which at that point, I'm going to click here, the plus sign. Obviously, you're going to have to go ahead and look for the video. I got this one right here that I'm going to click open. And now it's going to upload. And as you can see, they have a little play button and it has kind of like a circle that is going around. It also has some video options. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click here. And as you can see, you could kind of like review the video right there as well. So I'm going to come here to video title. I'm going to give it a title just so you could have essentially some SEO. I'm just going to paste that in here. You could tab people as well. So if you have somebody that's collaborating with you, you could do that as well. You could add up some captions as well. Probably is going to help with the SEO. And you could change the thumbnail. This is something that I definitely going to do. So I'm going to click here. It's going to give you a choice, suggested, upload image. Once again, you're going to have that upload image right there. And here I am. I'm going to pick this one and I'm just going to click open about this. And it's going to show right there, right? So again, you could do even some testing and things like that. The bottom tab right here is going to be optimization. And again, I haven't messed with this as much, but I do want to show you exactly what you got in there. Once you got all that done, you're just going to click save. It's going to come back to this. And again, you could share this with whoever you want. You could share the video with only friends or you could share public, right? In my case, I'm going to share this with public. And just to show you a couple of the other choices right here, it says public, anyone on or off Facebook, friends accept. So you don't have to show it to some friends. Only me, specific friends, custom. So obviously I got public right here. I'm going to click done. And again, you could put, you know, kind of like a status or a description or whatever you want to put in there. I'm going to go ahead and put the title of the video. And again, if you come down here, you're going to have a couple of things. You could actually tag a specific people. You could put, you know, your filling activity. You could do a checking. So they could do a couple different things in here. And as you saw, my thumbnail is actually showing, probably finished processing already. You can also boost this post. And again, I haven't messed with this as much, but that's something else you can do. And once you click post, you will get a notification once it posts. And that's pretty much how you upload a video to Facebook. In the next couple minutes, I'm going to get a notification saying that my video is ready to be watched. And again, that's just how you do it. Let me know what you think. We'll see you in the next one.